नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको वीकली करंट अफेयर्स के महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न बताऊंगा। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। जय हिंद। Question 1. How many FM transmitters have been inaugurated by the Prime Minister? Option A. 91. B. 64. C. 82. D. 73. Correct answer is A. 91. Question 2. According to Annual Report 2022 released by ADB, which country is the largest borrower from ADB? Option A. Myanmar. B. Sri Lanka. C. India. D. Pakistan. Correct answer is D. Pakistan. Question 3. Who is the first Indian to complete the Golden Globe race? Option A. Abhilash Tomy. B. Nihal Sharma. C. Mayuresh Jatin. D. Karan Singh. Correct answer is A. Abhilash Tomy. Question 4. Who won India's first gold in men's doubles at the Badminton Asia Championship? Option A. Satvik Sairaj Rankareddy Chirag Shetty. B. Lakshya Sen Chirag Shetty. C. Srikanth Kidambi Lakshya Sen. D. Chirag Shetty Lakshya Senator. Correct answer is A. Satvik Sairaj Rankareddy Chirag Shetty. Question 5. Where did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the Namo Medical Education and Research Institute? Option A. New Delhi. B. Jammu. C. Ladakh. D. Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Correct answer is D. Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Question 6. When was World Dance Day celebrated? Option A. The 28th of April. B. The 29th of April. C. The 26th of April. D. The 30th of April. Correct answer is B. The 29th of April. Question 7. Who is the new CEO of Bank of India? Option A. Shrikant M. Bhandiwad. B. Rajneesh Karnatik. C. Sanjay Agrawal. D. Ashwani Kumar. Correct answer is B. Rajneesh Karnatik. Question 8. Sinthan Snow Festival 2023 will be held in which state? Option A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 9. Ajay Warrior War exercise is organized between India and which country? Option A. America. B. France. C. Australia. D. United Kingdom. Correct answer is D. United Kingdom. Question 10. Recently how many new wildlife sanctuary have been approved by Rajasthan? Option A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Correct answer is C. 3. Question 11. Dr. N. Gopalakrishnan passed away recently. He is related to which fields? Option A. Scientific research. B. Politics. C. Sports. D. Agriculture. Correct answer is A. Scientific research. Question 12. Where was the first of its kind Millets Experience Center launched? Option A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Hyderabad. D. New Delhi. Correct answer is D. New Delhi. Question 13. Which international organization has launched the PRET initiative to better prepare for future pandemic? Option A. WB. B. WHO. C. IMF. D. Health Ministry. Correct answer is B. WHO. Question 14. Who unveiled the world's first robotic check-in assistant? Option A. Lufthansa. B. Etihad Airways. C. Emirates. D. Qatar Airways. Correct answer is C. Emirates. Question 15. Which has become the first insurance company to accept central bank digital currency? Option A. Reliance GI. B. United Nation Insurance. C. SBI GI. D. LIC. Correct answer is A. Reliance GI. Question 16. When was World Labour Day celebrated? Option A. The 4th of May. B. The 3rd of May. C. The 2nd of May. D. The 1st of May. Correct answer is D. The 1st of May. Question 17. Who has been elected as the new president of Paraguay? Option A. Efren Alig. B. Santiago Pena. C. Horacio Katz. D. Alfredo King. Correct answer is B. Santiago Pena. Question 18. Who launched GigaChat? Option A. Russia. B. China. C. US. D. Japan. Correct answer is A. Russia. Question 19. Who is known as the godfather of AI? Option A. Kenichi Umda. B. Alexander Seferin. C. Jeffrey Hinton. D. Dilma Rousseff. Correct answer is C. Jeffrey Hinton. Question 20. Who was honored with the Global Silver Award under the Green World Awards 2023? Option A. Delhi Metro. B. Chennai Metro. C. Pune Metro. D. Jaipur Metro. Correct answer is B. Chennai Metro. Question 21. Where has the Psy-20 engagement group meeting started? Option A. Tamil Nadu. B. Haryana. C. Kerala. D. Lakshadweep. Correct answer is D. Lakshadweep. Question 22. Thrissur Puram festival is organized in which state? Option A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 23. Which country's space agency retired satellite RHESSI re-entered Earth's atmosphere almost 21 years after its launch? Option A. USA. B. China. C. Japan. D. Russia. Correct answer is A. USA. Question 24. Which state was established on the 1st of May? Option A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Maharashtra and Gujarat. D. Haryana. Correct answer is C. Maharashtra and Gujarat. Question 25. Who has been appointed as the new MD of Bob? Option A. Devdutt Chand. B. Rajneesh Thakur. C. Ajay Kumar Srivastav. D. Pranab Mukherjee. Correct answer is A. Devdutt Chand. Question 26. Which state government will set up the country's first resettlement colony for people affected by climate change? Option A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Orissa. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is C. Orissa. Question 27. Who was the winner of World Chess Championship 2023? Option A. Ian Nepomniachtchi. B. Ding Liren. C. Vishwanath Anand. D. Magnus Carlsen. Correct answer is B. Ding Liren. Question 28. Who has won the Azerbaijan Grand Prix 2023 F1 title? Option A. Lewis Hamilton. B. Sergio Perez. C. Max Spin. D. Charles Leclerc. Correct answer is B. Sergio Perez. Question 29. 5th edition of Han Athadao Cultural Festival 2023 was held in which state? Option A. Mizoram. B. Manipur. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Manipur. Question 30. The 1000th match of IPL was played between Mumbai Indians and which team? Option A. Royal Challengers Bangalore. B. Delhi Capitals. C. Rajasthan Royals. D. Gujarat Titans. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan Royals. Question 31. In which regiment of the Indian Army women officers have been inducted for the first time? Option A. Artillery Regiment. B. Gorkha Regiment. C. Parachute Regiment. D. Missile Regiment. Correct answer is A. Artillery Regiment. Question 32. India will hand over fast petrol vessels and landing craft to which country? Option A. Japan. B. Maldives. C. Bangladesh. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is B. Maldives. Question 33. Which Indian has been conferred with the UK's Member of the Order of the British Empire MBE honour? Option A. R. Kelkar. B. Narendra Modi. C. Dr. M.N. Nandkumar. D. Dr. Krishna Kumar. Correct answer is C. Dr. M.N. Nandkumar. Question 34. India's first undersea tunnel is being built in which state? Option A. Goa. B. Maharashtra. C. Orissa. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Question 35. Grandson of Mahatma Gandhi passed away. What is his name? Option A. Varun Gandhi. B. Arun Gandhi. C. Tarun Gandhi. D. Anuj Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Arun Gandhi. Question 36. Which country became Europe's top refinery supplier according to Kepler data? Option A. UAE. B. Saudi Arab. C. India. D. Russia. Correct answer is C. India. Question 37. When was World Tuna Day celebrated? Option A. The 1st of May. B. The 2nd of May. C. The 3rd of May. D. The 4th of May. Correct answer is B. The 2nd of May. Question 38. According to RBI, which state has topped the market borrowing for third consecutive year? Option A. Tamil Nadu. B. Telangana. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 39. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court? Option A. Justice T.S. Shivagnanam. B. Justice Prakash Srivastav. C. Justice Debashish Gupta. D. Justice Jyothmoy Bhattacharya. Correct answer is A. Justice T.S. Shivagnanam. Question 40. Bihan Meller is related to which state? Option A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Punjab. D. Orissa. Correct answer is D. Orissa. Question 41. Who is the first Indian player to win Challenger Tour title in Europe? Option A. Sondev Vaman. B. Sumit Nagal. C. Sania Mirza. D. Saket Maini. Correct answer is B. Sumit Nagal. Question 42. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission? Option A. Siddharth Mahanti. B. A.K. Mahanti. C. Anant Maheshwari. D. Ajay Singh. Correct answer is B. A.K. Mahanti. Question 43. Which state's Swachh Virasat Abhiyan has been awarded the Hudko Award 2022-23? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 44. Which country's president has won a referendum to rewrite its constitution? Option A. Kazakhstan. B. Ghana. C. Uzbekistan. D. Sudan. Correct answer is C. Uzbekistan. Question 45. In which country the ASEAN India Maritime Exercise AMI 2023 was organized in May 2023? Option A. Malaysia. B. Thailand. C. Singapore. D. India. Correct answer is C. Singapore. Question 46. Which actress has been signed as the brand ambassador of Lenas? Option A. Ananya Pandey. B. Anushka Sharma. C. Atiya Shetty. D. Alia Bhatt. Correct answer is C. Atiya Shetty. Question 47. India will build a port for which country's coast guard? Option A. Sri Lanka. B. Maldives. C. Bangladesh. D. Indonesia. Correct answer is B. Maldives. Question 48. Geeta Karmikula Bima scheme has been started by which state government? Option A. Telangana. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Telangana. Question 49. In which state has the backward class survey started? Option A. Orissa. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Orissa. Question 50. Who was honored with the title of Man of the Century for his contribution as a socialist leader? Option A. Raj Subramanian. B. Pandit Ramkrishnan. C. Vinod Kumar Shukla. D. Hari Balakrishnan. Correct answer is B. Pandit Ramkrishnan. Question 51. Arabian Travel Mart ATM is being organized in which country? Option A. India. B. Iran. C. UAE. D. Sudan. Correct answer is C. UAE. Question 52. In which country did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh lay the foundation stone of Ekata Harbour? Option A. Myanmar. B. Sri Lanka. C. Nepal. D. Maldives. Correct answer is D. Maldives. Question 53. Who ranked first in the test rankings released by the ICC on the 2nd of May 2023? Option A. India. B. New Zealand. C. Australia. D. England. Correct answer is A. India. Question 54. Ranjit Gupta passed away. What was he? Option A. Politics. B. Historian. C. Play. D. Director. Correct answer is B. Historian. Question 55. Who has won the title of World Snooker Championship 2023? Option A. Ronnie O'Sullivan. B. Mark Allen. C. Mark Selby. D. Luca Brecel. Correct answer is D. Luca Brecel. Question 56. Made in India, 75 Years of Business and Enterprise released. Option A. Shashi Shekhar Vempati. B. Abhitav Ghosh. C. Amitabh Kant. D. Narayan Vaghul. Correct answer is C. Amitabh Kant. Question 57. Who has released the report titled Bridging the Gender Digital Divide? Option A. IMF. B. WHO. C. UNICEF. D. WB. Correct answer is C. UNICEF. Question 58. When was World Press Freedom Day celebrated? Option A. The 1st of May. B. The 2nd of May. C. The 4th of May. D. The 3rd of May. Correct answer is D. The 3rd of May. Question 59. When was Coal Miners Day celebrated? Option A. The 1st of May. B. The 2nd of May. C. The 4th of May. D. The 6th of May. Correct answer is C. The 4th of May. Question 60. What is the rank of India in the released World Press Freedom Index? Option A. 152. B. 151. C. 161. D. 162. Correct answer is C. 161. Question 61. When will India join the International Civil Aviation Organization's climate action? Option A. 2026. B. 2027. C. 2028. D. 2030. Correct answer is B. 2027. Question 62. Who was awarded the United Nations Press Freedom Award? Option A. Nargis Mohammadi. B. Ella Hair Mohammadi. C. Nilofer Hamidi. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 63. Which state has been ranked innovative state in the National Manufacturing Innovation Survey? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Haryana. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is D. Karnataka. Question 64. Vanessa Hudson has become the first female CEO of the which airline company? Option A. Vistara Airlines. B. Air India. C. Qantas Airways Limited. D. Delta Airlines. Correct answer is C. Qantas Airways Limited. Question 65. Which is India's first open defecation-free ODF plus district? Option A. Anuppur, Madhya Pradesh. B. Mancherial, Maharashtra. C. Wayanad, Kerala. D. Vijayanagar, Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Wayanad, Kerala. Question 66. Vivad Se Vishwas One Relief to MSMEs scheme has been launched by which ministry? Option A. Defense Ministry. B. Home Ministry. C. Finance Ministry. D. Industry Ministry. Correct answer is C. Finance Ministry. Question 67. Who has been elected as the President of the World Bank? Option A. Ajay Banga. B. Beena Agrawal. C. V.R. Panchmukhi. D. B. Dayakar Rao. Correct answer is A. Ajay Banga. Question 68. The Future of Jobs Report 2023 was released by whom? Option A. World Economic Forum. B. World Bank. C. International Monetary Fund. D. United Nations. Correct answer is B. World Bank. Question 69. Who has been appointed as the Air Officer Commanding in Chief of the Southern Air Command? Option A. Arun Sinha. B. Arnab Banerjee. C. K. Kritivasan. D. Balakrishnan Manikantan. Correct answer is D. Balakrishnan Manikantan. Question 70. Who was appointed as the new Vice Chief of the Air Force? Option A. Ashutosh Dikshit. B. Dr. Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. C. Praveen Sharma. D. Dr. Vinay Prakash Singh. Correct answer is A. Ashutosh Dikshit. Question 71. By which organization Business Ready project will be released? Option A. WEF. B. World Bank. C. IMF. D. RBI. Correct answer is B. World Bank. Question 72. What is the estimated growth rate of Indian economy for the financial year 2023-24 by Niti Aayog? Option A. 6.3%, B. 6.4%, C. 6.5%, D. 6.6%. Correct answer is C. 6.5%. Question 73. The country's first cable-stayed rail bridge has been completed. Option A. Telangana, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Uttarakhand, D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 74. Who has been announced to be conferred with the prestigious BAFTA Fellowship, the highest award of BAFTA? Option A. Alia Mir, B. Meera Syal, C. Bombay Jayashree, D. Shiv Shankari. Correct answer is B. Meera Syal. Question 75. Where did NTPC and NPCIL sign an agreement to jointly develop nuclear power plants? Option A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Both, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Both. Question 76. Devendra Fadnavis has unveiled a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji in which country? Option A. Cambodia, B. Philippines, C. Vietnam, D. Mauritius. Correct answer is D. Mauritius. Question 77. Indira Gandhi Mahila Samman Nidhi Yojana is related to which state? Option A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Haryana, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Question 78. Legal entity identifier lake system has been launched by? Option A. RBI, B. SEBI, C. IRDA, D. SEC. Correct answer is B. SEBI. Question 79. Chithirai festival is main festival of which state? Option A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Question 80. Which country has suggested the name of Cyclone Macha? Option A. Yemen, B. Myanmar, C. Nepal, D. Pakistan. Correct answer is A. Yemen. Question 81. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Coal India? Option A. Polavarapu Mallikarjun Prasad, B. Shailesh Pathak, C. S.S. Dubey, D. Rajesh Malhotra. Correct answer is A. Polavarapu Mallikarjun Prasad. Question 82. Who has been appointed as the administrator of the Indian Basketball Federation by the Delhi High Court? Option A. Sadev Yadav, B. P. Krishna Bhatt, C. Muhammad Jalud, D. Muhammad Tayyab Ikram. Correct answer is B. P. Krishna Bhatt. Question 83. Orissa has extended the purpose of the Indian hockey team till? Option A. 2030, B. 2033, C. 2035, D. 2038. Correct answer is B. 2033. Question 84. Who become the world's highest grossing sports person as per the Forbes list released? Option A. Cristiano Ronaldo, B. Lionel Messi, C. Neymar, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Cristiano Ronaldo. Question 85. Who wrote the book Secret History of Caste in the Labyrinth of Law? Option A. Shashi Tharoor, B. Keshav Kumar, C. Manoj Mitta, D. Rupak Gandhi. Correct answer is C. Manoj Mitta. Question 86. According to Internet in India Report 2022, which state has the highest internet access in India? Option A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Goa. Correct answer is D. Goa. Question 87. Where is SCOT Shanghai Cooperation Organization Foreign Minister meeting being held? Option A. Goa, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttarakhand, D. New Delhi. Correct answer is A. Goa. Question 88. Who has been appointed as the new president of Melbourne Cricket Club? Option A. Greg Barkley, B. Mark Nicholas, C. Roger Binney, D. Alexander Safran. Correct answer is B. Mark Nicholas. Question 89. When was World Asthma Day celebrated? Option A. The 1st of May, B. The 2nd of May, C. The 3rd of May, D. The 4th of May. Correct answer is B. The 2nd of May. Question 90. Who was awarded the honorary Palme d'Or at the Cannes Film Festival 2023? Option A. Brendan Fraser, B. Austin Butler, C. Michelle Yeoh, D. Michael Douglas. Correct answer is D. Michael Douglas. Question 91. When was the World Athletics Day celebrated? Option A. The 2nd of May, B. The 3rd of May, C. The 7th of May, D. The 5th of May. Correct answer is C. The 7th of May. Question 92. When was the World Hand Hygiene Day celebrated? Option A. The 6th of May, B. The 5th of May, C. The 4th of May, D. The 3rd of May. Correct answer is B. The 5th of May. Question 93. Who has launched the Integrated Faculty Recruitment Portal, CU? Select Option A. UPSC, B. SSC, C. UGC, D. NHRC. Correct answer is C. UGC. Question 94. NASA scientists have extracted which element from the simulated lunar soil? Option A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Helium. Correct answer is B. Oxygen. Question 95. Which state government has launched Ramalon? The basis of Disneyland is planned? Option A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Shimla. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 96. Athlete Tory Boy has passed away. He belongs to which country? Option A. America, B. Brazil, C. Argentina, D. France. Correct answer is A. America. Question 97. The foundation stone of Bhogapuram Airport has been laid in which state? Option A. Tripura, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Question 98. After how many years has the tiger seen in Kalesar National Park? Option A. 110, B. 125, C. 140, D. 160. Correct answer is A. 110.